Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to a little spring decorating haul. Before we got started with our spring decorating, I wanted to show you the things that I've picked up this year. It's not much. I tried to be very mindful. We went through the spring bins that I already have, edited those out so that I knew what I had so that I could try to just use what I have primarily. I did pick up a few new things. Some I've already shown you in other videos, so I'm gonna go through those very, very quickly, but there are a few things I've picked up that I haven't shared, so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. So as I mentioned, there are some things that I have already shared with you. One, I did do a shop with me at Michael's where I showed you their new collections for spring this year. I will tell you that although they did have some beautiful items, I did feel like it was a little lackluster this year. I looked online, they did have some other things that were not available in my store, one of which were these beautiful plaid plates. If they had had those in my store, I probably would have grabbed those. Those would be beautiful on an Easter table setting, but they did not have those at my store. So just a quick reminder about what I picked up there. I did show you in that video, but I did grab these beautiful cabbage rose stems, light pink cabbage rose stems. I think these are so beautiful. And I also grabbed this wicker, no, this is water hyacinth bunny basket. And I thought that these would be pretty together. But we'll see. We'll see where I end up using these. But those are what I picked up for spring decorating this year. I did also pick up these picture frames while at Michael's. I showed these to you as well. I don't know if I'm going to use these for spring decorating or just in my bedroom or just in the house in general. One of my goals for 2026 is to have more printed pictures around because we actually live here and I want to have those around. So I've been trying to grab picture frames that I find that I love. And then the last thing I picked up was this faux rosemary plant. I remember telling you guys then, and I'm going to say it again, this was $50. I didn't buy it for $50. Danny is in the background and I did not buy it for $50. I got it for $17 because it was on sale. Plus I had the teacher discount, but I gotta be honest with you, $50, like Michael's, what are we doing? $50. It's crazy town. I did pick up a few items at Hobby Lobby, but I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I think they're downstairs in my basement. I did grab some tulips, even though when editing out my bins, I didn't need to buy tulips. I did realize that I actually had a ton of tulips, so now I know. But I did also pick up this small galvanized pail. I actually have the large one right now on my dining room table. I think this is adorable. I love the color and I just like to pull in galvanized metal whenever I can. I feel like it warms up a space. I know that's kind of crazy because it's a metal and it's not bronze, but or copper, but it is very, very pretty and it's pretty no matter what you put in it. So if you put flowers in it, if I were to put that rosemary, that $50 rosemary plant in it, it would all look beautiful because it's just so neutral and it goes with anything. And there's something, to me, there's something about galvanized metal like this that reminds me of spring. I don't know what it is, but I was happy to get this smaller one. Figured I could pretty much use this anywhere. That you could even use this in your kitchen and put utensils in it and it'd be a really beautiful utensil crock as well. I recently shared a sponsorship with you with Quint's. I absolutely love their home decor items. They are so well made, absolutely gorgeous. And one of the things that I picked up was a table runner in this beautiful blue fog gingham. And I just think this is so pretty. It's cotton. And I was waiting to see if it said anything on here about, you know, anything more, but I think it's cotton or maybe it's linen. It's very, very, very nice and soft. Maybe it's muslin. I'm not sure. It's one of those. It's one of those three. It is actually on my table right now. I grabbed two because I wasn't sure if I wanted to use this maybe in my entryway or on my sofa table, but I love it and I think it is so pretty and it's just a really nice blue. It's not, you know, overpowering. I like that it's kind of like a gray blue. And like I said, it's blue fog and I think it's stunning. Something I picked up on Etsy this year that I grabbed on a whim. I don't remember who shared it on Instagram. Maybe it was my friend Crystal. I can't exactly remember who shared it, but I saw these and I was like, done, get in my cart. And it is these faux chocolate bunnies. They look like this. They're pretty substantial. You know, they're not like overly heavy, but they're pretty substantial. And I think they're so pretty. I love that they just look like, you know, nice chocolate bunnies. They're not, I liked the color, and I didn't have anything like this. That was one thing I got from Hobby Lobby was, and if you saw that video, I have a shop with me there, and I found little plastic eggs that look like chocolate bunnies, and I plan to use those in my spring decor this year, and I thought that these would go along with that. So very pretty. Next up, I want to talk about a couple of items I picked up from Antique Farmhouse, and I actually just put in another order. I've got some new items coming as well that aren't necessarily just for spring, but for my home in general. Antique Farmhouse is one of my absolute favorite places to shop for my home. It is an online store. It's where I got my my pie safe over here. Love it. But one of the things I grabbed was this glass cloche with this wooden bottom. And I'm going to be honest with you, I do not love the bottom, right? It's a color that I do not love. However, I figured we could use the glass cloche over just about anything, and it does not have to be on top of this. Like, we could just use the glass cloche on top of something else, and it will look beautiful. I loved the size. It's very large. It would look pretty on my dining room table. It would look pretty on the bottom of my sofa table. It will look pretty in 101 different places, and it does not have to be used with the wooden bottom. You can, but you don't have to. Also, that's not like a spring exclusive item, which I really like. Either is this next piece. It's this little shelf. I love this. Does it say what it is? No, it doesn't, but it's just this little shelf. I love the color, and it's nice and tall. You can hang it, which I think I might do. I think I might hang it. I'm not sure where I'm going to use it yet. You're gonna have to stay tuned, but it would look pretty here in my kitchen. It would look pretty in my living room. I don't know where it's gonna go just yet, but it is so pretty, and I think it would look stunning, you know, with something in here like a little vase and some greenery or something. The boys are playing upstairs if you hear the yelling. But anyway, I can tell you, I can think of 101 different ways to use this, and I'm not sure what it's gonna be yet, but it's going to be beautiful, so stay tuned. Again, that item is not spring exclusive either, so if I do hang it somewhere, I think it'll be really pretty all the time. These next items I got from Antique Farmhouse are spring exclusive, and that is these bunnies. I mean, they're not spring exclusive. You could use these anytime, but it's these bronze bunnies. I thought these were so pretty, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these in my office, if I'm gonna use them here in the living room. I thought these would be gorgeous on my entertainment center, so stay tuned. I am not sure exactly where they'll go. They would also look really pretty in the kitchen if you stacked up some cookbooks and use them in your kitchen. You could use these really anywhere: a bedroom, an office, a living room, a kitchen. I can find a way to use these in any space, and they're absolutely beautiful. You also don't have to use them together. You could use them on separate shelves. You could use one in one room and another in another room. You do not have to use them together. And I just like that these look kind of old English cottage, and they're gonna look really, really stunning. Now, these other items I shared with you in a shop with me that I did with Sandy, my sweet friend Sandy, when we went to Graciously Restored. I can't remember what town that was in. I'm so sorry. I don't remember, but you can go back and check out that video. I did share these items with you in that video, so I'm just gonna show them very quickly, but I did get this little bunny, which was so sweet. I also got these like handmade carrots, and I'm just showing you things that I picked up that I think are, you know, very spring and that I will be 100% using for spring decor. Another one is this candle holder, this tulip candle holder. I love that it's like stone colored. Totally see this going in my little hutch in my dining room. And then these blue eggs, love. We're gonna be bringing in a lot of blue. Blue, white, and green is what I'm picturing for my spring decor this year, as well as metal, bronze, and wood. And then the last two items, both also from Graciously Restored, are these books. These are actually journals. This one that says, "Take in the Wonder of All Life's Beauty." I liked the spine on this one. And then this one is Wildflowers and Where They Grow. Again, love the spine. And you could use these together with a bookend and they would look stunning. I'm not exactly sure how I'll be styling these, so just stay tuned, but we're gonna get started with that here in the next day or two. So very, very, very excited. The last thing I wanna mention is this top. I did just pick up this top from Target. I can't remember what brand it is, but I will link it for you down below. It is this absolutely beautiful, like ruched top with these sweet peasant sleeves. I love it. I am wearing a small. I will link it for you down below. They did have it in a different color. They didn't just have it in the blue. They had it in another color and it's just so pretty. And I don't remember what the other color was, but I might go snag it. I think it might have been cream. But I loved the blue, like absolutely love the blue. And I think that this will be so pretty all summer long. I just have it paired with jeans, but it will also look really sweet with like a skirt. You can dress it up, absolutely. So if you wanted to wear it for Easter. So that's gonna do it for this video, my friends. I know it was short and little, but I just wanted to share these items with you before I started decorating in case you wanted to snag any of these for yourself. Anything that I can link, I will link for you down in the comment section below, or down in the description, I'm sorry. If you have any questions about anything, do not hesitate to let me know. I'm happy to answer anything that I can, and hope you guys are getting excited for spring decorating. I am so excited. It snowed yesterday here, would you believe it? I was driving home from my hair appointment and it was snowing, and we woke up this morning and Danny was like, I can't believe the front yard's covered in snow. And I was like, are you kidding me? But it's all gone. It's all gone. The sun has been out all day. It's been chilly, but it hasn't been like freezing, and all the snow is gone. Thank goodness. That if you were to look outside right now, besides the fact that there are no leaves on the trees, you wouldn't know that it was cold outside because the sun is beautiful, but it's cold and I have goosebumps on my arms because it's chilly in here. So again, thank you guys so much for joining me, and hopefully you will come back and see me again. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in the next one. Happy spring, my friends.